In this video, we are going to talk about the built-in functions which are available in Python for the string operations. There are lots of built-in functions in Python, but we do not need to go through all of them. I would just talk about the basic methods which are available in Python for the string operations. You can go through others yourself. I would just talk about the most useful built-in functions among them. So now let us first create a Python file here. I would just create in the with the help of the command line only. You can just name it anything. First, lower method converts all the uppercase characters of the string into the lowercase format. Suppose you have some string in which all the characters are in the uppercase, and you want to it doesn't matter whether all the characters are in the uppercase, but suppose there are some characters which are in the uppercase and you want to convert the entire string into the lowercase format. Then what you can do, you can use the lower method and just check the output. See, the entire string has now become in the lowercase format. Next is the upper method, which is exactly opposite to what we have done in the previous example. If it is in the lowercase format and you want to convert it into the uppercase, then you just need to use the upper method like this. So see, it was previously in the lowercase format and now it is converted into the uppercase format. Next is the title, that is, it converts the string into the title case. Now what is title case? First, take out all the words that is present in the string and then capitalize the first character of the each word. Suppose you have something like this. The name of the string is something like this: hello world, I am programming. This is your string, and you have just used the title operation here. See, it will just fetch all the words first from this string. What are the words? Hello world, I am programming. That is, five words are present in the string, and then it will capitalize the first character of all the strings: H, W, I, A, P. Next is the capitalize. It will convert the first character of the string in the uppercase. So whatever string is present here, suppose let us take this string only, and you want to convert only the first character of the string. That is only this one. Then only you can use this capitalize method. That is name dot capitalize, and see the result. Only the first character is now in the uppercase format. Next is the count. If you want to count the occurrence of any particular character in the string, suppose you want to uh, uh, count what is the number of occurrence of m in character m in this particular string, then you can use this count operation. Or it actually takes one parameter, that is what is the character which you want to count. Suppose you want to print the number of occurrences of m, so you just have to write name dot count, and you just need to pass what character you want to just count. So m is the character, 3 is the result. So let us see: 1, 2, and 3. So that's it. Next is alpha num. So it means that whether the string you have entered, does it contains only the alpha and the numeric characters only. So suppose you have a string like this: hello and 45. It will return true. Why? Because it contains alphabet HELLO and numeric characters, that is 45. True. But if it contains any other character like this one, this returns false. Why? Because it contains these two characters, star characters, and these are actually not neither alphabet and nor numeric characters. Next is the is alpha. That is, it prints whether uh, a particular string contains only the alphabets. For example, suppose it is 67, it should return false. Why? The reason is that the 67 uh, is not only consisting of the alphabets, it is consisting of numeric characters, so it is false. Next is the is lower. So whether what the string you have entered, is it in the lowercase format only? If not, then it will return false. Suppose you have entered HELLO, so all the characters are in the lowercase format. So if you just print this is lower, you will see that true is printed because all the characters are in the lowercase format. But suppose I have capitalized the last one, or you can capitalize anything more, even more than one. Okay, so it will return false because not all the characters are in the lowercase format. Then next is the is numeric, whether the string you have entered, all the characters are whether numeric or not. So suppose I am just typing hello and just trying to figure out whether it contains only the numeric numeric characters only. It's numeric, so it returns false. Why? Because it doesn't contains any numeric character. But suppose I have just entered 45 instead, then it will return true. Next is the is space. It returns true if a string contains only white space character. Suppose you have a lot of white space here and you want to print check whether it contains only the white spaces. Okay, so now it will return true. Why? Because it contains only white spaces. But suppose you have added something like let's say o, it will return false because it doesn't only contains white spaces, but it also contains o, that is which is an alphabet here. Next is the is title. It actually returns true if the string actually is in the title case format. So suppose this is a title case format. Why? Because the first character of all the words in the string are in the capital S format. So if I return the value, see it is true. It is true. But suppose I have just made this in the lowercase format, it should return false. Why? Because it is not no longer in the title case format. Next is the is upper. Returns true if all the alphabetic characters in the strings are uppercase. So just let us take this example only. All the characters are in the uppercase? No, it should return false. False. But if you just do something like this, HELLO, all the characters now are in the uppercase, so now it should return true. So that's all for today, and I will just say that you can practice all these concepts yourself, and if you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comment section.